Hey FastCap builders, today we're going to learn how to assemble the Flex Bench Module Tool Tray. The tool tray allows you to mount any miter saw to it, or another tool if you wish, to link both modules together. There are two sets of cams. One set goes on each side of the tool tray. Each pair of cams has 1/16 inch diameter alignment holes. You can use anything around the shop, drill bit, nail, whatever will help you line those up. Put some glue on them, staple them together, set them off to the side, and let them dry. While the cams are drying off to the side, take the four sides to the tool tray, lay them out, get them orientated just right, put some glue on the ends, slip them into the dado, pop a couple staples in. You'll do this on each of the four corners of the tool tray. Then you'll take some glue, put it on the top of the tool tray. Be sure to cover the top of the frame completely with glue. This will make sure you have a nice good bond with the top that you're going to set on top. Then you're going to pop a couple staples around. Make sure there's no gaps. Make sure it's a nice tight fit. Then you'll go around, clean it up, wipe off any glue. You'll go back around the sides and you'll put one staple in each tab. The depth of our tool tray is 3.5 inches to fit most miter saws, but it is completely adjustable to fit any miter saw you have. Take your tool tray, put it on two 2x4s, take each cam, use the same pins that you used before to align up the cam on each side. Once it's aligned, you can staple it in place. The staples are purely there just to hold it while the glue dries. You'll repeat this on the other side, lining up with 1/16 diameter holes, glue and staple. Then you will go back, pre-drill, and add 2 screws to both sides once you're confident that that is the height of the tool tray that you want for your saw or your tool that you are using. If your miter saw or tool is taller or shorter than 3.5 inches, please see our tips and tricks video to see how you can best make it fit your tool.